Hello friends, this is Chandrasekhar Panda. I am the author of Pharmaceutical Updates. Welcome to you to my channel. Today we will discuss about the responsibilities of this production personnel in the pharmaceutical. तो हम आज बात करेंगे तो प्रोडक्शन पर्सनल का क्या क्या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम ऑपरेटर टू मैनेजर। और ये वीडियो में हम क्या क्या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है पर डिस्कशन करेंगे। ईच डिपार्टमेंट्स हैव देयर ओन रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज इन फार्मास्यूटिकल एंड बेस्ड अपॉन द जॉब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एवरीबडी हैज़ टू वर्क. Job responsibility shall be assigned to the person based upon the educational qualification and experience, and according to the job responsibility everybody has to take standard operating procedure training. Following are the job responsibility of the production personnel, and this topic will help to the fresher as well as experienced personnel to gain some basic knowledge in pharmaceuticals. To maintain manufacturing and packing area clean and presentable for audits, recording of temperature, relative humidity and differential pressure in manufacturing and packing area, filling the equipment and instrument logbooks in the manufacturing and packing area, ensure compliance with current good manufacturing practices on subfloor, to follow good documentation practice and safety instruction, and ensure compliance while working in manufacturing and packing area, operating the machine as per the product requirement, and manpower handling in production and packaging departments. Filling of batch manufacturing and batch packing record in manufacturing and packing area, to perform daily or monthly weighing balance calibration or verification in manufacturing and packing area, to procure, receive, manage all change funds, stereos, sheaves, screens, finger bags, punches, dies, etc. for manufacturing and packing area, planning and executions of batches to be manufactured in process and packing area, to maintain and fill the documents online and review the documents like manufacturing and packing records, review the batch manufacturing record, batch packing record, master formula record and master packing records. Executions of process equipment qualification by coordinating with qualification team and vendor, preparations or review of failure investigation, market complaint investigation, change control, deviation out of specification and investigation routed through quality management system, to initiate change control if required and fill deviation form in case of any non-conformances. Review protocols and reports for cleaning, process validation, mapping, hold time study, qualifications, etc. To ensure for completion of preventive maintenance. Responsible for compliance for all types of regulatory audits, inspections. Preparations of job responsibility for production and packing personnel. Prepare of standard operating procedure in manufacturing and packing area, to provide SOP training to subordinates and newly joined personnel, section-wise allocation of work to sub-coordinates, ensure implementations of pest control program at site, control of plant hygienic and manufacturing environment and environmental monitoring in the area. To ensure the completion of monthly training for production and packaging personnel, SAP and ERP transaction related to manufacturing and packing department, to implementations of corrective and preventive action at subfloor, to guide or explain the auditors and external persons about the manufacturing and packing area if required, to coordinate with other departments like engineering, quality assurance, warehouse and quality control for smooth running of manufacturing and packing activities, to operate the machines. Thanks for watching.